Welcome back to Buy or Die. We make money on perspective stocks, and I have no idea why you're still not with us. Subscribe, hit the like button, and let's go. It's been a while since I talked about Clover Health Company. Actually, I didn't monitor the situation with this stock closely. I just opened the chart every day and cried. I have some shares of CLOV stock in my portfolio bought for $10.5, and now the price is fluctuating between $7, $8. All meme stocks experienced significant crash this July, Wish stock, AMC and others, and it's not only about memes. The stock market in general doesn't feel good. Inflation has been picking up in a big way and could tighten consumer wallets. There is also a growing likelihood that the Federal Reserve could take its foot off the proverbial gas pedal with regard to monetary policy and quantitative easing. And don't forget about the coronavirus Delta variant, which threatens to slow down reopening efforts in various parts of the US and around the world. But meme stocks were crushed in the most dramatic way. They took the hit, probably because so-called trash stocks are on the first line during panic sale. But I have always been disgruntled when people called CLOV stock a meme because it's completely different from its teammates. So-called teammates, yeah? So let me remind you what you're dealing with. Clover Health provides an artificial intelligence-based platform that helps physicians deliver better care at lower costs. That market is a whopping $270 billion and is expected to grow to $590 billion by 2025. This company combines long-term perspectives and Reddit hype, and it's highly undervalued, so the growth could be incredible. The company announced that it's planning expansion into 101 new markets. This expansion, which is subject to CMS approval, will make Clover's Medical Advantage plans available to eligible individuals in a total of 209 counties across 9 states. Additionally, Clover intends to introduce a number of new benefits, some of which may be launched to existing Clover members as early as the third quarter of 2021. Going into 2022, all of the company's plans will be operating solely under the Clover brand, and as such, Clover will discontinue its current co-branding arrangement with Walmart in 8 Georgia counties. Do you understand the potential of this company? It's the company with excellent prospects for the future. It's different from other meme-boosted trash like low-growth businesses of video game stores and movie theaters. The Reddit crowd is actually buying a company with excellent prospects for the future. Now the price looks very attractive because it's almost on the very bottom. If you look at this chart, all-time deep, yeah? Perfect opportunity for buying at $7.8, and for current price $8, it's also possible and it's a good idea. No matter what purpose you have, speculative or long-term investing, buying at this level is a very good idea. I'm waiting for your CLOV stock predictions in comments. I'm waiting for your subscriptions because it's much better to make money together. And see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Bye.